To get started with Livebinders, you'll either want to sign up or log in. Alright, once you're logged in, it'll take you to this dashboard here. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is to start a blank shelf. Think of this as like your bookshelves that you store your traditional 3-ring binders on. So it just helps to keep things organized. Give this new shelf a name, either like first period or a subject. You can also give it a description or a tag. You can set your privacy settings if you want this to be public, where you could share it with students, or if you want to keep it private where only you can see it. And click Create New Shelf, and it says Shelf has been created, Math 8. So you can click on it here, and you can see it's an empty shelf for right now. So I can go down here on my left navigation menu and see all of my shelves that I've created here. I can also view my binders that have been created, but let me show you how to start a binder for this 8th grade math shelf. You'll click on Start a Binder. I'm going to name my binder Measurement. And you have to put in a description for your binders. I'm going to call mine Unit 7 because that's what it is in C-Scope. You can add tags if that would help you organize it later on. I'm going to keep it private for right now, and I'm going to click Create New Binder. This is what a blank binder will look like. To help you out, there's some tabs across the top to get you started. These are just like the tabs that you put in your traditional 3-ring binders. When you click on the tab, you can highlight it and delete it and rename it anything you want to. And you can also use this drop-down menu to move the tab or to copy and paste it, any kind of editing you want to do with the tab. To go to the next one, you would click on it, and you can just go through and label all of your tabs. You can also embed any website into your tab. For example, I have a Khan Academy video that I want to embed in my 2D measurement. So I go to this tab here and I enter the URL. And it will show up as the website inside of my binder. So unlike the binders that are collecting dust on your bookshelf, you can't put websites in those, but you can put a full website in here that then can be navigated within your binder. Now I'm going to navigate back to my first tab here because I have a file that I want to attach to my spiral review. Down here is your edit menu, and this is my favorite part. So I'm going to click on Upload File, and I can choose a file to upload. And here within my binder is this uploaded document. So this is another way that you could share your worksheets and your notes with your students, is you could create a binder and share it with them. Notice that this was a PDF, but you could also upload a JPEG or a GIF, PowerPoint doc, text, movie, any kind of file that you have on your computer, you can upload and it's viewable through your binder here. The next option in the edit menu is tabs, and we looked at these already, but this is another place that you could go in to work on your tabs. I could clear the contents to, wipe everything out of the section under this tab. You can move them around. You can move a document from one tab to the other. Anything you want to do with your tabs is here. The next option is Insert Media, and this one's pretty cool too. You can upload YouTube video or Flickr images. The next option on the edit menu is the text layout, and this one really helps you customize how you want your media to be displayed. Do you want to have your title at the top and a place where you can enter text, and here's our YouTube video over here. It lets you choose how you want your layout to be. And then finally, your last tab is binder properties if you want to set a background color or a default tab layout. And some other neat features, you can update your binder cover over here in the bottom right. You can also save all of your changes and close the edit menu to view your binder how other people will see it. Also, along the top up here, you have some more options on how you would like to share it. You can email it, share it on Facebook. You can add this to a shelf. Like I want to add this measurement binder to my 8th grade math shelf. You can view it where it'll automatically play through your tabs to a set amount of time. You can also hit this back button to go back to your home page here. And this is where you can also search for other binders that have already been created. And this is a really handy feature if there's something that you want to learn more about. You could just search for it in all public binders. And don't be afraid to make a good binder you create public, because it could help other educators as well. So from here, you would click on options and you can add it to a shelf of yours. You could make a copy if you want to be able to edit it. So after you've created one of your own, you can search for one to be entered into the drawing for the Kindle Fire HD. You can either create a binder and share it with me, or just tell me about one of the awesome binders that you were able to search and find on the website.